Did you know that you could print up to 500 pages at SMC as a student? Here is how to print at the SMC library. To begin, you're going to search in your browser for My SMC. But wait, if you're using your personal laptop, please make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. You want to be connected to the SMC Wi-Fi and not SMC guest Wi-Fi. After searching up My SMC, click on the first link. You will then click on the top right corner on the My SMC tab. This will take you to your SMC dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a bunch of apps. You will be looking for the GaelPrint app. If you do not see it on this left-hand side, click at the top where it says All Apps. Here, you'll be able to see all apps available to you, and you should be able to access your GaelPrint app. You will now be prompted to enter your username and password associated with your SMC account. Now you will be at PaperCut, which is the system that we use for printing, where you could see your balance, print jobs, and pages. As an SMC student, you have about $25 every semester to print, which breaks down into 35 cents per color page and 5 cents for every black and white page that you print. This is about 500 free pages that you could print every semester. When you're ready to print, on the left-hand side, click Web Print, and then click Submit a Job. You will now be prompted to choose one of the two options. This is just asking if you want a single-sided print or a double-sided print. The top option is single-sided. The bottom is double-sided. Whenever you see duplex, that means a double-sided print. So choose which one you would like and press Continue. You will now be prompted to update how many copies you would like. After updating how many copies you'd like, click Upload Documents. Here, click Upload from Computer and select the file that you would like to print. After uploading that file, click Upload and Complete. You will need to wait a few minutes to allow your documents to fully upload. Here, you can now see the cost of each of your prints and the status, which should say Held in Queue. Click on Held in Queue and press the action you would like to complete, cancel or print. After pressing Print, you will now have to choose which printer you would like to print from. In the library, we have 4, 2 on the first floor and 1 on each of the second and third floors. After selecting the printer you would like to print from, the action should now change into queuing, which means that it is printing. If you have multiple pages you would like to print, you will have to press Print and select a printer each time. After printing your pages, make sure to log out of your PaperCut account and collect the pages that you just printed. And you're done!